She was just nervous, babe, because she ripped her nail off. The medicine probably calmed her. Make sure she's breathing. What if we overdosed her, babe? I don't know how much to give her.
Sophia. Yeah,
You yell at her.
Oh my God! What kind of dance is that?
I know, right?
Jeez, what the hell?
He's a stripper.
What the heck? Like I am.
He's dancing like a stripper.
His dance. Oh my
He's
God!
like Michael Jackson.
What are you doing?
Do it, go! Oh my God!
You're a dork.
What the hell? Look at him, Dad.
Saying what the hell? You're not supposed to see that.
Dad, look. Okay.